For latest updates and short audio clips, follow us on Instagram, Reading the Author.
Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast Reading the Author, a unique show where we read authors' mind and not their book. Meanwhile, I truly believe and pray that you and your families are completely safe and healthy as well. Today we have Savitha Hazari ma'am with us, the author of Footsteps of Love and Little Things. Thank you so much ma'am for coming on our show. We are highly grateful कि आप हमारे शो पर आए.
Yeah, thank you, sir. First of all, thank you for having me here. And I was very much excited for this conversation.
Pleasure, ma'am. So, ma'am, before we get into the podcast और हम आपके बुक के बारे में, बुक के विजन के बारे में और आपकी और भी चीज़ों के बारे में जानें, I would request you to please introduce yourself ताकि हमारे listeners आपके बारे में कुछ और जान सकें. आप अपनी ऑथर की जर्नी लाइक कब आपने शुरू किया, कब वो फर्स्ट थॉट आया कि नहीं मुझे बुक लिखनी चाहिए, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में.
Yeah, sure. Hello, people. Myself, Savitha Hazari, the author of Footsteps of Love and Little Things. I'm an MBBS student from Hyderabad, and I was born and brought up in Khammam, a city in Telangana, in a simple family, a family in which there's a balance of values, emotions, and economics and a career as well, maybe which made me a pavement for being an author, I guess.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you share with us कि जैसे अपने कब आपने सोचा पहली बार कि मुझे एक बुक लिखनी चाहिए? Like when was that first thought stuck in the mind?
Okay, I am an nature lover. Firstly, I do connect with the nature and my words and my thoughts, which I write it, and then one of my friends saw this. You can go with writing, right? Okay. So that's how I got to write this. Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, as we know that the book is released and I'm seeing that it's performing really well. So, there will be lots of people जिन्होंने पढ़ ली होगी, but अभी भी बहुत सारे लोग होंगे, जो इस podcast को सुनने के बाद explore करना चाहेंगे. So, for them, can you share some insight, like from a reader's perspective, वो क्या expect कर सकते हैं इस book से?
Yeah. We have many unsaid words that we cannot share with others, and as well to whom we want to say them. But then there will be in our inside those kind of words and feelings. Is this all book about? It's not only like one single story. It's a mix of feelings, like a roller coaster, I can say. Yeah, it's a roller coaster of feelings. One can feel. Yeah.
Okay. So it sounds to be really interesting, because of the sort of mixed emotions have. So can you share with us like what motivates you to write on this topic? Like you could have chosen some other topics as well, but आपने specifically this topic को चुना. So any particular reason? Yeah, like what was the inspiration for this topic? Something like that. If you can share.
Yeah. As I said, firstly, I'm a nature lover. That moved me firstly, and my surroundings, my friends, my people, and their stories, which moved me to write this book.
Yes. Okay. So, ma'am, like, can we expect more such books from you? Like, इसके बाद अगर reader आपसे expect करें तो वो क्या करेंगे? Like, is there something in the pipeline कुछ अभी आपने ऐसा सोचा है? Like, या फिर आप किसी और genre में try करना चाह रही हैं, experiment करना चाह रही हैं खुद से या what's going on?
Yeah, sure. I can write. Like readers can expect from me like this kind of stories, and also I would love to experiment. Yeah, by God's grace, I wish to write. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So मतलब as such अभी कुछ ऐसा something कुछ plan नहीं, but definitely something is there.
Yeah, there's no plan right now, but yeah, I will.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, beside being a nature lover, like, what are you, as a person, आपके like, beside, being nature lover and as a student or something like that, like, what are the things which you are interested in, या फिर आपकी hobby, something like that, if you can share with your listeners?
Yeah, I love photography. Firstly, so that made me connect with the nature and these books as well. I'm a reader as well, and yeah, I'm a simple person and an emotional person, and I love every little thing that's around me. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So as of now, ma'am, ma'am, we all know that after the first lockdown is over, so number of authors are getting increased day by day. Hundreds of books are being published every week, we can say, because the publishing has become so easy as compared to the past few years. हमारे पास आज Amazon Kindle पब्लिशिंग है, सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग है, बहुत सारे पब्लिशर्स डेली ऑलमोस्ट कह सकते हैं कि हर महीने कुछ नए पब्लिकेशन हाउस खोल रहे हैं. So in that respect, ma'am, what sort of competition do you feel in this industry, the industry of author and all those things? Because जब ज़्यादा लोग रहते हैं तो लोगों के पास ऑप्शंस भी बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं, एंड और देखा जाए, जहाँ तक मेरा मानना है कि द रीडर्स आर गेटिंग लेस डे बाय डे, बिकॉज इतनी सारी आजकल सोर्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट हो गई है. यू कैन जस्ट गो फॉर इंस्टाग्राम रील्स पे, अगर आप देख लेते हो 15 सेकंड की वीडियो भी देखने के लिए लोगों के पास पूरा टाइम है. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू रीडिंग अ बुक, उसके लिए तो एक हेल लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस एंड एक कमिटमेंट चाहिए. तो इन दैट व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ कंपटीशन डू यू फील फ्रॉम दिस इंडस्ट्री, लाइक अ सॉर्ट ऑफ नेक टू नेक कंपटीशन, या फिर यू आर समवन हु फील्स कि क्रिएटिविटी में कोई कंपटीशन नहीं होता है, हर बुक के अपने रीडर्स होते हैं या अपना एक जोन होता है जो फाइंड कर लेता है? What's your take on this?
Yeah, I'll go with the second one, I guess. Yeah, creative field में no competition. Every book has its own, what we'll say, its essence, I guess. Yeah. But then, as a human mindset, people will go with the well-known authors or well-known books, I guess. That's the competition is going on. So I feel कि readers को should encourage the new ones, should give it a try for the new ones. So yeah.
So ma'am, as of now, like आपने बताया कि आप एक MBBS स्टूडेंट है, right?
Yes.
Okay, so ma'am, from your hectic schedule, आप अभी लिखती कैसे हैं? Like do you have any particular writing schedule as well? Like आप दिन में पर्टिकुलर कुछ टाइम उसको डिवोट करती हैं, या इट्स लाइक रैंडम, जैसा मेरे साथ होता है पर्सनली कि कभी कोई थॉट आया तो फोन में या डायरी में लिख लिया, फिर बाद में बैठ के लिखने लगे? हाउ डज इट गोज विद यू?
There is no particular schedule for me. As a thought, I'll write it and then I'll process it as a book, I guess. But if it is, if I think of a story or a theme, I'll sit for a few days or a few hours for me to write. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so any plan, ma'am, in future to just shift from your primary profession to as a full-time job or full-time author, full-time being an author, something like that? Any scope, any plan?
No, not a full-time author, but firstly my profession first. And then my passion, even it is a photography or this writing or anything.
Because what I personally feel, even I also write sometimes, and I have also written a couple of books. So what I personally feel in that respect, the financial freedom, or you can say from a financial perspective से अगर देखा जाए, so this industry or being an author is not so reliable, what we can, right?
Yes.
So, yeah, definitely, ma'am. Okay, so ma'am, like as we have talked about your book, about your vision, about your journey and everything, now coming to your personal life, can you share with us like what was the most happiest moment of your life? Like there must be many till now, but if you can share any single with us, then that would be really great.
Presently, my book is my happiest moment. That too, my parents accepting my book is like it's I'm on the top of the world, I guess. Yeah.
And what's your we can say like some sort of biggest fear regarding being an author? Like आपको सबसे ज्यादा डर किस बात का लगता है ऑथर बनने के बाद?
for me, my first fear was that people think reading this book as my story, which is not.
Hmm.
Especially my parents, typical Indian parents, right? They read for, yeah. I was so afraid that they'll think that it's my story, but then I was so happy that they took in a positive way. Like I've given a try in writing poetry, I guess. That was my first fear, and the second fear is that how people connect to my, lines or phrases, what I've written. So the reader's perspective and the author's perspective, it should match what I feel is.
Then only you can connect.
I haven't.
Okay. And like, what was going in your mind when your book was about to release? Like, जैसे पता है कि कल मेरी book release हो रही है, तो आज evening में, what was in your mind कि आप स्ट्रेस थे, नर्वस थे, एक्साइटेड थे, आपने कोई माइलस्टोन सेट किया था कि चलो ठीक है, मुझे इतने लोग जानते हैं तो मेरे बुक को इतना सेल करना पड़ेगा या समथिंग लाइक दैट, लाइक व्हाट्स गोइंग इन माइंड?
It would be silly. First, I thought of not publishing this book. I was so afraid that, and then I have few close friends to me. I've given the soft copies for them, and then they were like, it's a mixed feelings. Even their feelings are also there in this book. So it would be, we will be happy if you publish this book. They were like that. So yeah, maybe it's for them I published the book. To say it. Yeah. I was so afraid and so nervous. Yeah. But then it happened.
Definitely, if you are preparing something for such a lot of time, and when it's time to finally go out and पूरे दुनिया के सामने जब जाने वाली होती है, तो some sort of mixed feelings are there. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And as of now, ma'am, what's your current mental state like as a person, as an author? What are the things which you are focusing upon?
Now I want to fully enjoy these feelings, like mixture of feelings, nervous, and I'm fingers crossed how this book gonna be in the air. Yeah.
Okay, and as a person, ma'am, like कोई ऐसी चीज जिस पे आप अभी पर्टिकुलर फोकस कर रही हैं, when it comes to hobby या फिर अपने डेली लाइफ में कोई चीज फॉलो करना, something like that?
Not exactly, but yeah, I was thinking that I should continue this writing so that I'll be calm and yeah.
You will find a way to express your thoughts, right? Most of the authors
yes.
put the hat on. And ma'am, my last question to you of this podcast is like, what are your advices for the upcoming authors? Like, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे इस पॉडकास्ट को सुनने के बाद काफी रिलेट कर पाएंगे कि अच्छा ठीक है, बेसिक स्टूडेंट, चलो मुझे भी लिखना है, मैं भी लिखता हूँ, बहुत सारे लोगों के फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट अभी पड़े होंगे उनके लैपटॉप में, उनकी डायरी में. सो व्हाट वुड बी योर वन एडवाइस फॉर देम, अगर आप कुछ देना चाहें?
In a sentence, I'll just say that just go for it. As I felt in the first starting stage of not publishing this book, and now here I am in overwhelmed with my happiness. It will be like this. So, and many writers will be get a bag that how to publish this. Money problems first. Like an author, like the authors who are students as well, like me.
True.
So money problems first. So there are many publishers who are giving the free publishing, like Notion Press as well, which is my publishers.
Okay.
So yeah, I'll just say that just go for it.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you must have enjoyed this episode, and if you do, then do follow our podcast, Reading the Author, available on all the leading podcast platforms, and don't forget to buy and read the book. आप जस्ट Amazon पे जाएं, वहाँ पे सर्च करें सविता हजारी, या फिर मैम की बुक भी आप सर्च कर सकते हैं. फुटस्टेप्स ऑफ लव एंड लिटिल थिंग्स, वहाँ पे बुक आ जाएगी, ज़रूर खरीदें और पढ़ें और अपने जानने वालों के साथ, चाहने वालों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें। Thank you so much, ma'am, for enlightening us with your thoughts. It was truly an amazing experience to have you on our show today.